Hi soya beans, it's Soya. Today I'm going to turn myself into the one and only it girl of Korea, JANG WONYOUNG. So this whole look from head to toe is inspired by JANG WONYOUNG. Even my nails are Wonyoung coated. And her latest post was my reference because it blew me away. She was so beautiful. So today we are going to steal her look together. Please watch this video till the end. Show some love for this channel and let's get into the tutorial. By the way, as you guys already know, I always start with my base done and it's usually super simple. If you're curious about my makeup prep base, then I made a short video for you. Go watch it. It's actually super simple. I focus on hydration. And then I only use concealer on my face because my skin is not bad, so I don't need that much coverage. And also this makeup look obviously features contact lenses because WONYOUNG also uses contact lenses. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you want to see other tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so my base is already done. I only use concealer, so super easy. And I also have my contact lenses in. They are called Jelly Blue and they are from Just for Kpop. Discount code is SOYAMOYA for 10% off. And by the way, if you have light eyes, they are obviously going to look lighter on you. But if you have darker eyes, they are going to look so much darker. So just a little note that they don't look the same on everyone. I mean on every eye color. So yeah, let's start this tutorial. What I see here is that her eye makeup is actually super light. She has a thick liner and a heavy blush look on. So we are going to recreate that. She also has very natural false eyelashes, so nothing dramatic. I love this makeup look on her. I'm going to start with my eyes. There is not so much makeup on her crease, so I'm just going to set my eyes and maybe put a little bit of pink eyeshadow to make them pop. I'm going to use this little blush palette. As I said, I already have concealer on, so setting the face is very important. You don't want the makeup to crease. Okay, so for the crease, I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use this pink color to create some dimension and depth to the eyes. And I think that's pretty much it. We are going to move to the under eye area. I can see a much heavier makeup under her eyes. I'm going to use this dark pink color from the Flower Nose eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use this dark brown color. And I put this along my lower lash line. Now with the smaller brush, let's do the egg yolk cell. Then I'm going to use this light pink shade to brighten my under eyes. For blush, I'm going to use this dark pink shade first. This is a cream blush, by the way. It's super creamy. The next blush that I'm going to use is this shade. Let's blend it out. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. Her eyeliner is super thick and short, so I'm going to try to mimic that. Ta-da! And I use this Essence eyeliner. This is from a drugstore. And honestly, this is my favorite eyeliner ever. I have been using it since I was like 12. I love this one. I think her makeup artist does it with gel pencil liner. And now I'm going to apply false eyelashes. WONYOUNG's eyelashes are usually super natural, so I'm going to try to keep it natural as well. I tried. First, I used half of these and then a couple of these feather lashes. I think it's cute. Next, I'm going to contour my nose. For highlighter, she uses a super matte highlighter, so I'm going to go in with this Judy Doll brightening pink shade. Next, lips. For lips, I think I'm going to use a mix of these two. This is Mauve Moon from Romand, and this one is Wintry from Tier Tier. This one is a mini version. We are almost done. I cannot skip her iconic mole, and I might throw on mine as well. I'm going to use this pen eyeliner. This is the dark brown shade, and this is from McQueen, New York, and it's in the color Deep Brown number 2. I feel like using a brown or dark brown eyeliner or pencil to do the birthmarks or moles is so much better, because with these they look more natural. Done. Hold on, we are not done yet. This look is not complete without fake nails. Wonyoung has always super short nails. I mean, short for me. So I'm going to use these super cute ribbon and rhinestone nails. Press-on nails. And the way I do it is I use stickers to glue it on. You can use nail glue if you want them to last longer. Done. I think these nails are super Wonyoung coated.